Hey Ninja, Michael here at Badass Mindset. Today I want to share a quick hack with you that I hope helps you become more efficient when you're out in the world doing things. So what we're going to do is measure our limbs and create some markers so we can measure things faster when we're out and about. Like badass skills and tactics? Subscribe and hit the bell. So the first thing we'll do is measure our arm from the armpit to the tip of the finger. We'll go right-handed here so the numbers are upright. So what we have is 29 inches. Okay, 29 is right there. So right there on that 29 marker. Next thing we're gonna do is measure from our fingertip to the base of our palm. And right there we got 7 inches. The last thing we wanna do is get a 1-inch marker somewhere. So right here, looks like 1 inch is to the first little bend on my pinky. So now I can measure 29 inches or 2 feet 5 inches, right? Or I have a 7-inch marker and a 1-inch marker. So now I'm able to measure things a little bit quicker when I'm in a hurry. It's not completely accurate, but it'll get the job done if we're trying to see if something's gonna fit in a certain space or not. Alright, I hope this tip helps you. Hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love to be a part of your journey, so please do. And until next time, stay badass.